Welcome to the Animal Counting Adventure. Today, our animal friends will help us count from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's Bunny. She has 1 carrot. Let's count together. 1. Great job. Can you say it again? 1 carrot. Look, Tiger left 2 paw prints in the sand. Let's count. 1, 2. Can you say it with me? 1, 2. Giraffe loves munching on tall trees. How many trees does Giraffe see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 3 tall trees. Wow, look at Parrot's colorful feathers. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Parrot has 4 beautiful feathers. Bunny's back with more carrots. This time, she has 5. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yummy carrots. Tigers love to play. Look at Tiger's 6 paw prints. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Giraffe loves leaves. How many does Giraffe reach for? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tall trees. Parrot is showing off more feathers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're doing great. Now it's time for the grand finale. Let's count from 1 to 10 with all our animal friends. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! You did it! Great job counting to 10 with us. See you next time for more fun and learning with your animal friends. Bye-bye.